Hey guys! If you just started working at a nail salon in the US, especially if you're new here, this video is perfect for you. Today, we'll practice quick and easy English conversations for a common nail salon situation. This will help you speak more confidently with your clients. Let's jump right in.
At the nail salon, during a manicure.
Could you please place your hands on the cushion?
Sure, like this?
Yes, perfect. Do you want them short or long?
Medium length, please?
Is this length okay?
Yes, that's good.
Do you want square or round shape?
Square shape, please.
Can you turn your hand this way so I can file the side?
Of course.
Great. Do you prefer warm water for the soak, or is this temperature okay?
This is fine.
Which color would you like?
I'll take this red one.
Perfect. Please relax your hand.
At the nail salon, fixing broken nail.
Excuse me, I just had my nails done here last week, and one of them already broke.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. May I take a look?
Yes, here, see? It cracked right in the middle.
I understand. That must be frustrating. Did you bump it or catch it on something?
Not really, I was just doing normal chores.
Okay, I'll fix it for you free of charge. We can also apply a stronger top coat to help prevent this from happening again.
That would be great. Thank you.
No problem at all. Let's get it fixed right away.
At the nail salon, paying the bill.
Hi, I'm all done. How much do I owe you?
Let me check. You had a gel manicure and a hand massage, so that's $45 in total.
All right, here's $50.
Thank you. Here's your change, $5.
You can keep the change.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem. You did a great job on my nails.
I'm glad you like them. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye.
Just a few minutes a day. You can use this conversation in real life. Investing in English today is investing in your income and future opportunities. Tell us in the comments which conversation you want to learn next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can stay motivated to share even more new conversations with you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.